In this lecture, we're going to talk about what you will need in order to take this basic dowsing course. If you have a pendulum, go ahead and have it ready. Make sure you have a pen and a notepad ready so that you can take notes or anything that is standing out to you. And above all, make sure you have a quiet environment. No telephone, no TV, no music playing, no children or dogs or cats playing, trying to get your attention. Make sure that you can really take this course and focus and absorb this. If you don't have a pendulum yet, you can take out a string and a paper clip or even a necklace with a pendant, and you can participate in this way. Once you have purchased your pendulum or it has arrived to you, perhaps you've already ordered it and it's coming to you in the mail, make sure that you go through the lectures again and that you participate in the cleansing process, the charging process, and the programming process that we're going to go through in this course. For those of you that have not yet purchased pendulums, here is just a plethora, just some ideas of the different types of pendulums that are out there. There are many, many, many more. What I want you to consider and think about is that your pendulum is going to have a tip at the bottom. Sometimes people are purchasing round pendulums, or they're trying to use a bracelet or something like that, or just a rock crystal that does not have a tip at the bottom. And the reason I'd like for you to get a pendulum with a tip is when you are moving forward into transcendental dowsing, the tip is becoming really important in order to measure percentages, hertz, any kind of accuracy where you're needing to go down to a millimeter place. Now, in terms of just this course, if you have a round pendulum, that's okay. But if you haven't purchased your pendulum yet, please consider getting something with a tip. We are not going to cover protective measures in this particular course because this is a basic overview course. We're not going to get into any dangerous situations where you're going to have to sage your space and laying out crystals. If that is, however, what you already do, perhaps you're a healer or a Reiki master, then by all means, go ahead and continue using those practices. But for those of you that are new, don't worry about it. We're going to cover this in another course. For this course, it is not needed. Now let's move on to the next lecture.